Hi, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be so much fun. So if you watched my last video, I was really upset and complaining that this town had no Christmas spirit, and I made the Christmas spirit in my house. But there's an event on tonight that is just so incredibly Christmassy, and so I thought I would just make today a Christmas day. And so we're going to do everything Christmassy. We're going to paint the nails, we're going to go shopping, we're going to go to these markets, which I am just so excited for. So many people I've been talking to this week have just been so excited for these markets and really hyping them up. So yeah, I'm so excited for it. I've just washed my hair and it's currently air drying because I don't want to use too much heat on it. But yeah, we're gonna go put this up and we're gonna go shopping because I've been so good with my money lately, which is just unheard of for me. Like, I'm a spender. And so I think because today is really Christmassy, I'm gonna go buy a little Christmas outfit, which I've never gone and bought this. Like, this is such a one-off for me. So yeah, let's go see if we can find something really cute for the markets tonight. Excuse the iPhone quality, but that was the most successful shop I've ever done. I got all the groceries I needed for the thing I'm about to bake, very Christmassy. And I got a dress. First store I walked into, perfect one. And I went into Best and Less just to see if there are any Christmas outfits. And I saw some swimmers, not Christmassy. They are just the cutest color. Tell me this isn't the cutest little color. So I got them and they were so cheap as well. The whole set came to 20 bucks. So Best and Less, get on it if you're on a budget or if you're trying to save. Highly recommend. Okay, so let's do a little haul, shall we? Firstly, just because they're on top, my little Best and Less bikini, which just looks so cute. Imagine going to the beach in this cute little bright pink bikini. In Best and Less, I also got this cute little scrunchie because it's going to match my dress for tonight. I went to Woolies and I got some ingredients to make a Christmas hedgehog. So I got lots of chocolate, some desiccated coconut, some sweetened condensed milk, and some rice bubbles. Cosmo can have the bag. There you go. Should I save the dress till the end of the video when I'm all ready? Yeah, I think I might do that. I hope I don't go dress really nice and then this market ends up being like 3 stalls. No, surely. From everything I've seen, it looks like it's gonna be big. Though I did not expect to find a really cute bikini today. Ah, that's really clever. So when you're in the ocean, it doesn't like untie or unclip. It's such a tight thing to get it on that like no way the waves are gonna separate that. That's so good. Cosmo wants to have a look at all my stuff. But if there was something for you, I would have given it to you by now. Say hi, guys.
Morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is officially happening. Oh my god. I'm sorry if you can hear that. I was rudely just awoken by my upstairs neighbors because they are the loudest person on this side of the earth.
Right, I'm just putting my hair up like this because I don't want to straighten it before I make a hedgehog because straightening my hair is a very big job. So I just found this recipe on Pinterest called Quick and Easy Chocolate Hedgehog Slice. These recipe sites that just pop up with like a million ads, they drive me absolutely crazy. So if you want to make it with me, you will need 250 grams of Arnott's biscuits, 400 grams of condensed milk, 180 grams of chocolate, milk or dark, whatever you prefer, 100 grams of salted butter, 50 grams of desiccated coconut, 40 grams of rice bubbles, that's for like the main mixture bit, and then for the topping you'll need 300 grams of chocolate and 2 tablespoons of oil. And that's all you'll need. Anyone else love eating condensed milk straight? So good. I find that my hair is just so incredibly thick, so for it to look nice when it's straight, I feel like I have to pull half of it up, but I still kind of really like the half up, half down look. And I also really need to dye my hair because it is so grown out, but that's fine. I feel like I'm kind of liking the little bit of brown. Am I growing out of my blonde phase? No, surely not. I couldn't imagine myself. I hated brown hair in the van, absolutely hated it, so I think I've got to stay blonde for a bit longer, but I don't know, I feel like this kind of look looks a lot better than the blonde straight from the roots. I don't know, what do we think? Anyway, let's do makeup. Also, don't copy me at all when it comes to doing makeup. I know absolutely nothing about the types of makeup you're meant to use, the application, anything. I know nothing about makeup. Don't do what I do. God, I swear every 10 or 20 minutes I hear someone screaming like on my street. I just, like gut-wrenching screams like from kids. Like it's probably just them playing and having fun, but it sounds like a painful scream. I just don't know why everyone is just screaming around here. During the day, quite often, I heard it today as well, like there'll be like a group of adults just walking past in the middle of the day on a Thursday, just screaming. Like, not, I mean, you don't have to use your inside voice outside, but when you're walking around outside, surely you don't scream to the person you're with? I don't know. I feel like a lot of people just scream talk. I don't know. Cosmo's just come to join us. Hi, bud. Oh, he's getting so heavy. Who's feeding you all that extra cheese, huh? Is it me? Hi. Okay. The pickups and landings are always a little bit rough. With the products I use, I literally don't even know. I think it was just like the first blush I saw, the first like bronze, what's it called? Bronze to Paradise. So I don't even know if that's like meant to go there. I have no idea about makeup. These are literally just the first things that I saw, so I feel like I shouldn't even show you what I'm using. But every time I see one of my girls do their makeup, they're always like, so this is the mascara I use, and then they talk about it and they're like how it's better than other brands. But all of these, I just picked one up for the first time and I just keep going back to the same one. Like I don't change my makeup at all because this is what I know, this is what works on my face. But I use the Colossal Go Extreme by Maybelline New York. It just doesn't work with me. So I'm wearing a pink dress. So I want like a light pink. I've tried to buy so many lipsticks that mimic this exact lipstick in this exact color, but I just can't find it. Like all the other lipsticks I've tried, they either don't stay on at all, and this one is like so like ratty, and it's just not the vibe, but it's just so good. This is gonna sound really gross, and this is so old that I got this when I got my makeup done for my year 12 formal. This was the one that she used, not this exact one, but like I bought the one that she used because I loved the color on me so much, from year 12. So it's probably expired, but I haven't had a problem with it. So, but I absolutely love this color. I also really like this one, but they're very different. I'm almost worried that you can't tell that I have anything on because it's so subtle, but I just think it's so pretty, and like it's not too in your face and it's not like you've got nothing on. It comes with another glossy side as well. Oh, did I show you my little scrunchie that matches my dress? So I'm gonna go put my dress on, do my nails, and then Rowan will be home. He'll come have a shower and then we're off. I'm excited. Okay, dress reveal. Also, look at my earrings. Look at how stinking cute. It's got the one shoulder, which I've never ever worn a dress like this before. And I just feel so girly. And I absolutely love these earrings. I think they go with it so well. And I'm ready for the Christmas market. I just think this is going to be so much fun. Like, we were on such a tight budget last year because we were traveling in the van, and so we didn't get to go to any of these big markets. And we haven't been to one all year because this town just doesn't do big markets. Like, they do a Sunday market every Sunday. But yeah, it's been like 2 years since I've been to a really cool market, and the fact that this is a Christmas one and everyone's hyping it up, it's just making me so happy. And this whole day getting ready for it has just been my ultimate day. So yeah, actually, oh my god, we should try the hedgehog. Let's try the hedgehog. This looks so good. Yum. Okay, I have to have a piece. Oh, this is the biggest decision though. How do we cut it? Because however I cut it now is what the rest of the slab will have to be cut like. You can't see anything from over there. This looks so good. Oh my god, yum. I never would have thought to put rice bubbles in hedgehog, but when you bite into it, it really just gives that extra, it's not a crunch, but it's an extra texture. It's like a bit airy. So good, 10 out of 10. It's currently 4:30 and the event starts at 5. Also, tell me why I feel so much more confident when I have my hair done, like I've got my makeup on, I've got a cute little dress on. Like, why does this make me feel so good? And it makes me just want to be on camera all the time because I don't have my hair in like a messy bun with like a big shirt on. Like I look, oh, I don't know. I just love looking girly, but I just never put the effort in because it takes so long. That's my, oh, good boy. I've also got my Christmas cafe playlist on in the background, and I think it's so perfect for like a good mix of 80s music and like pop Christmas songs. Such a good playlist. If you're into that, definitely go check it out. Off to the market. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would we rate those markets?
Like an 8.
Yeah, they weren't bad. They needed more food places, but we did get this. What do you call them? Like cookie boats with ice cream. I got the Biscoff one, and then we picked up Chinese from a local Chinese spot, and we're gonna go home and enjoy. So we just got home from the markets, and it was great. However, I walked in the house and I instantly smelled the Christmas cookie candle that I had lit before when I was doing my paint by number, and I'm like, oh my god, don't tell me I've left it burning while we're gone. And it was still on. Our house potentially could have been burnt down while we were gone. This is the second time I've done that with a candle, and I've done it once with the gas. I cooked breakfast with the gas, and then at the end of the day I realized that it was still on, like the stove. Anyway, I'm awful for remembering things like that. But yeah, that was our little Christmas market experience. It was so cute. I've never seen so many people in one spot in this town before, and it just made me so happy. We didn't really buy anything besides food because they were all just knickknacks that we didn't really need. But yeah, they had little show bag stands like at the Sydney Royal Easter show. And yeah, it was just so fun. But I'm gonna take this off now so I don't get my dinner on it, and yeah, we're just gonna wind down, watch the block, and have a lazy night. Thank you so much for watching my little Christmas video, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Bye, thanks for watching.